रिलायंस के प्रमुख मुकेश अंबानी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं, सीधा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में लेके चलते हैं।
8 states of India on its 4G LTE all IP wireless broadband network. To each and every one of our customers, I want to say Dhanyavad. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. This is your achievement. Thank you for your enthusiasm. Thank you for reinforcing our belief in India's digital appetite. Thank you for launching our nation on the path to the top 10 digital countries in the world. We are overwhelmed and truly humbled by your response. We look forward to millions more of our citizens joining the Jio movement. Ladies and gentlemen, Jio is a data-strong network built for the internet from the ground up. I am delighted to share that Jio customers are making most of the Jio Welcome offer we launched in September. On average, a Jio customer is using 25 times more data than the average Indian broadband user. This is truly unleashing the transformative potential of data. A Jio customer today is consuming data on par with, and in many cases, more than sophisticated users anywhere in the world. My fellow Indians, the main reason we launched the Jio Welcome offer was to use this period to get your valuable feedback and to iron out the deficiencies we jointly discover. And we have indeed received a lot of feedback. You spoke to us and we listened. We listened to your best ideas, and we have been working sincerely and wholeheartedly to implement them. Thanks to your constructive feedback, Jio is better today than when we started. I'm truly grateful to each and every one of you who have patiently stood by us through this process of continuous improvement. I want to take a few moments to mention 4 concrete examples. First is eKYC. Jio has signed up on an average 6 lakh customers every single day for the past 3 months. Under the traditional paper-based process, this meant long queues and unexpectedly high fulfillment times. Thanks to the Government of India and TRAI, we were able to fast-track Aadhaar-based eKYC rollout nationally. This allowed SIM activation in under 5 minutes. This is the best experience for activating customers anywhere in the world. Today, Jio has successfully rolled out eKYC across 2 lakh outlets in India. To put this in perspective, this is nearly equal to the total number of ATMs in India. We are in the process of doubling this network to 4 lakh digitally enabled outlets by March of 2017. Every Jio store and retailer in every neighborhood can not only activate Jio customers via eKYC, but is also equipped to provide unmatched customer service. In addition, they can also provide new Aadhaar-based services because of this digital infrastructure. This is an investment that Jio has made to create a powerful physical plus digital capability for supporting a variety of offerings into the future. It gives me great satisfaction that we have fulfilled our promise to make the onboarding experience for Jio users as simple and delightful as possible. My second example is voice interconnection with existing telecom operators. While customers have shown unprecedented love for Jio services, we have not received the required support from our existing operators. In the last 3 months, nearly 900 crore voice calls from Jio customers to the networks of our 3 largest operators were blocked. The benefits of Jio's superior voice technology have been denied to Indian customers due to such anti-competitive behavior of incumbent operators. Through all this, Jio has been a tireless champion for Indian customers and their right to free high-definition voice services. Given the gravity of the situation, the authorities have intervened and instructed all operators to provide sufficient interconnection capacity. We thank the government and the regulator for enforcing the license conditions. While we have started getting points of interconnect, we continue to monitor this capacity so that the Jio voice calling experience remains superior. Over the past months, the call block rates have come down from over 90% to nearly 20% as of yesterday. We are working with all our fellow operators to ensure that in the coming weeks, this will come below the specified grade of service, which is 0.2%. I want to reiterate that Jio is committed to ensuring that all domestic voice calls by Jio customers will be flawless and free. Friends, my third example relates to enterprise and high-end customers. Most of these users do not want to give up their existing phone numbers. I am happy to inform that Jio now fully supports mobile number portability, and all customers can retain their existing number when they migrate to Jio. And we have gone a step further. We have recently introduced home delivery of Jio SIMs so that these customers who are often too busy to visit a store can get a Jio SIM home delivered. And once delivered, the Jio SIM can be activated in 5 minutes through eKYC. This feature is being progressively launched across India through the MyJio application and will be available in the top 100 cities by 31st December 2016. My fourth and final example relates to network speed. Jio's network is built for capacity and speed. But with 52 million customers taking full advantage of the free Jio Welcome offer, we faced a few issues with data speeds on our network. About 8% of Jio towers have experienced congestion due to abnormally high data usage. As a result, customers served by these towers have experienced lower data speeds. While 92% of our towers and customers have been experiencing consistently high data speeds, we are not satisfied. We are working to decongest these 8% towers so that the impacted customers go back to experiencing true 4G speeds. On the whole, Jio is not only delivering 4 times more data than all other Indian telecom operators combined, but we are also delivering much higher speeds than any other mobile network in India. And we are striving to improve it even further and to live up to the expectation of every single Jio customer. ladies and gentlemen, I am grateful for all your feedback over the past 3 months. We take your inputs very seriously. Jio is and will remain a customer-obsessed organization. During our last interaction, I promise that we will not sit back until we have provided the best customer service and experience to all Jio customers. Because of inadequate availability of points of interconnect from other operators, I believe we are yet to deliver on this promise. But with the imminent availability of sufficient points of interconnect from other operators over the coming weeks, I am confident that Jio customers will be able to experience a flawless voice experience. On behalf of the over 60,000 Jio employees, our 5 lakh retailer and technology partners, I commit that we will work 24/7 to co-create a service experience that you will enjoy and love, and we will execute flawlessly. With this humble reflection, I want to announce today that starting 4th of December 2016, every new Jio user will get Jio's data, voice, video, and the full bouquet of Jio applications and content absolutely free till 31st March 2017. We are calling this the Jio Happy New Year offer. During this offer period, Jio and Jio customers will be able to continue our journey of co-creating and building the best network experience together. All our existing 52 million users will continue to enjoy the unlimited benefits of Jio Welcome offer till 31st December 2016. And on New Year's Day, all Jio Welcome offer users will also be automatically signed up for the Jio Happy New Year offer. That's right, no need to purchase a new SIM. This will be done automatically. All existing Jio customers will get the extended benefits of the Jio Happy New Year offer till 31st March on their current SIM card itself. Friends, the Jio Happy New Year offer incorporates a lot of our learnings from our Welcome offer. For instance, we have noticed that 80% of Jio users consume less than 1 GB of data daily. 1 GB per day is still a substantial amount of data. In fact, it is 30 times the average usage on other networks. But the other 20% of users consume disproportionately higher amounts of data, and we have observed that this disproportionate usage contributes significantly to the congestion that I mentioned earlier. In short, 20% of the users create a poor experience for the other 80%.
मुकेश अंबानी का बड़ा ऐलान 31 मार्च तक जितने भी जियो यूजर्स हैं उन सबके लिए वॉइस, वाईफाई, मोबाइल डाटा सब कुछ फ्री होगा। इसे जियो ने कहा है, जो रिलायंस कंपनी है उनकी तरफ से कहा गया है कि ये जियो हैप्पी न्यू ईयर ऑफर है। जो 4 दिसंबर से नया सिम खरीदेंगे उनके बाद से भी सबके लिए फ्री है, और जिन लोगों के पास पहले से सिम है वो भी 31 मार्च तक फ्री यूसेज कर सकते हैं।